Hey everyone, I'll be showing you how to make homemade flaxseed gel. Flax seeds can be used to promote hair growth as well as repair damaged hair. Here's what you'll need: flax seeds, olive oil, tea tree oil, a strainer, a bowl, measuring cups, and a pot. First, you will add 1/4 cup of flax seeds to your pot. If you would like your gel to have a thicker consistency, add a 1/2 cup. I purchased my flax seeds from a local grocery store. Next, add 2 cups of water. Turn the stove to medium heat and stir. Stir the flax seeds frequently until the consistency becomes white and frothy. Turn the stove off and continue to stir for a couple minutes. Next, grab the bowl and the strainer. Pour the flax seeds over the strainer. Once the gel has been strained, add a tablespoon of each oil. I decided to eyeball it this time. Add the gel to a storage container. The gel must be refrigerated or frozen. I prefer to freeze mine for a longer shelf life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. And look out for my next video on my go-to twist out using my flaxseed gel.